Today we'll be looking at notes AA-1, law of signs given two angles, and specifically when given two letters that match. What do we mean? Well, look at the triangle given. So this capital A represents the angle A, this capital B represents the angle B, and this capital C represents the angle at C. And notice that lowercase c is opposite angle C, that is the length of this side. Similarly, side A, lowercase a, is opposite angle A, and lowercase b, side B, is opposite angle B. So remember that when dealing with a triangle, all angles add up to 180 degrees. We will be using a lot. So here's your law of signs. It's on the back of your spring formula card. Okay, so law of signs. Notice we have lowercase a over sine of angle A is equal to lowercase b over sine of angle B, which is equal to lowercase c over sine of angle C. Okay, this is what we will be using today when finding pieces of the triangle. So solve the triangle, find all the angles, find all the lengths of the sides. So first you will want to find angles, then sides. So this is what we have been given. We have been given that angle A is 36 degrees, angle B is 48 degrees, and side A is 8 units long. So if it helps you to see, I would go ahead and draw the triangle given. So we have just a triangle where angle A is 36 degrees, okay, and the side opposite A, side A, is equal to 8, okay, and then we have B and C. We know B is 48 degrees. What don't we know? We don't know angle C, we don't know side B, and we don't know side C. Okay, so first, remember we want to find those angles. So to find angle C, what we are going to do is we are going to take the knowledge that all angles add up to 180 degrees in a triangle. So we will find angle C. So we need angle C, we need side B, and we need side C. So we will take 180 degrees, and we will subtract 36, and we will subtract 48, and that equals 96. Okay, so angle C equals 96 degrees. So now we know angle C, this was not given, angle C is 96 degrees. Okay. So then we're going to use our law of signs. So we found C, angle C. Now we're going to find side B, lowercase b. So we will use what was given, and we will use our law of signs. So what was given was two letters that match. Remember, like above, we were given side A and angle A. So we'll use side A and angle A, and we will find side B because we also have angle B. We won't need this one just yet. We'll just use this knowledge. So it's A, which is 8, over sine of angle A, which is 36 degrees, is equivalent to side B, which we don't know, over sine of angle B. Okay, and then of course solve for B. So you will cross multiply. All right, so we will cross multiply. Boom, boom. So 8 sine 48 degrees equals B sine 36 degrees. We want B by itself, so divide by sine of 36 degrees, divide by sine of 36 degrees. And then we know that B will be by itself. And let's find out what that is. Of course, you'll want to check your mode in your calculator. Make sure it's on degree. And then we're going to type in 8. I'm going to actually use the alpha y equals key. 8 sine 48 over sine 36. And that's going to give me 10.114. So 10.115 actually, because it will round up. So B equals 10.115 units long. Okay, so that's for finding B. Now we need to find C. So B was this one here, 10.115. That's B. Okay, and then find C. So we will use what was given to us in the very beginning. Again, we will use 8 over sine, so side A over sine of angle A is equivalent to, now we're going to leave out the B and solve for C. So this is equivalent to this. Okay, so side C over sine of angle C, which is 96 degrees. Okay, and similarly, you will cross multiply. So 8 sine 96 degrees is equal to C sine of 36 degrees. Divide by sine 36 degrees. Divide by sine 36 degrees. Type it in the calculator. I'm going to use the alpha y equals. Sine of 96, close it down, sine of 36, and we get 13.536 units. 13.536 units. So C equals 13.536 units. So something I want you to remember, it might not always be to scale your drawing, but I do want you to remember that the smallest angle opposes the smallest side. So, and likewise, the largest angle opposes the largest side. So, don't you agree that 96 degrees is the largest angle and it opposes the largest side? Okay, and then similarly, the smallest angle is 36 degrees and it opposes the smallest side. And then the middle angle opposes the middle side. So that should always work out, and if it doesn't, then you know something's gone wrong.